delighted to see what Capital Bancorp has developed into over the last 25 years. But I can only wish them greater success for the future.
Now, what are those things about Capital Bancorp that excites you as a customer?
It's been an effective financial institution and has served the purpose of its customers effectively, to the best of my knowledge.
And what do you wish them as they exceed 25 years today?
I can only wish them greater heights for the future, nothing less, because they are one of the surviving company amongst the younger generational financial institutions that emerged in the 80s.
What are those things about this company that excites you, that makes you happy to be a customer?
Yeah, my investments are with them, and so far so good. They are secured, and I get everything I want on time.
And what will you wish this company even after this 25 years?
Yeah, I wish them many more years of successful operations.
My name is Olawale Edun. Formerly, I worked under Mr. Mobolurin at the then Chase Merchant Bank. So I think that's the best introduction I can give on this auspicious occasion.
Tell us about Capital Bancorp. What is it about this company that makes it unique and stable and sustainable over the years?
Well, I think we have to start by talking about the leadership of Capital Bancorp in the form of Mr. Olutola Mobolurin, a complete gentleman, a man of tremendous mental capacity, a man of tremendous imagination and creativity as far as the financial industry is concerned, and somebody who has mentored many people along the way, with over 30 years or so in the financial industry. And so, at the head of Capital Bancorp, he has remained consistent, he's remained relatively conservative, which is one of his trademarks, but I must say that has seen them through. Perhaps because they are not as maybe greedy, as thirsty for profits, and maybe as adventurous, and even you might say as erratic, or even as bold, perhaps, as some other people might have been in the financial markets. As a result of that, 25 years later, and after 2008, they are standing strong. They announced recently that they were not one of the companies that had to go and seek forbearance to stay afloat after the stock market crash of 2008. So that's really a tremendous testimony to his management style and to the enduring nature of the principles along which he has run the firm.
What lessons can Nigerian firms learn from Capital Bancorp?
Well, what they can learn is modesty. They can learn moderation. They can learn sticking to the basics. They can learn not following the crowd, not being reckless, not seeking to make too much too soon. If they've learned that, they too will be around, like some other companies obviously are, after 25 years, and also looking strong, because from what I understand, Capital Bancorp has a strong asset base, has a strong financial ownership base, strong capital base, and it is ready to look into the future with confidence.
Congratulations, Mr. Olutola Mobolurin, on your company 25 years anniversary. What does this mean to you?
Well, what does it mean to me? Of course, I'm delighted. When you have a dream and you pursue the dream, and for 25 years in turbulent times, you still find yourself standing and successful, you have to be delighted. And of course, we give thanks to God.
Your customers say a lot of wonderful things about sticking to values, sticking to your ethos, and maintaining sustainability in your operations. What are those things that guided those values, and what are customers looking ahead in the future?
I'll tell you what, first and foremost, my faith, my belief in God, the ethics with which I was brought up, and the environment in which I grew up ensured that, integrity remains the cornerstone of everything one does. And that we have taken into business. And therefore, because we do business to make friends, not to cheat people. And it's only when you serve people and you serve them honestly that they will stay with you for 25 years. And we have customers here today who have been with us for 25 years.
Let me say that, without you, it will all just have been a dream. It will not have been realized. I do hope that in a little way, we have rewarded your efforts and your investment. And we pray that into the next 25 years, you will still be receiving dividends.
And you too.
It is important for me now because I've retired and the dividends will be my sustenance for the next 25 years because I intend to be here for the 50th anniversary.